Hi, my name is Mike. I'm a student physical therapist at Nova Southeastern University. Is it okay, Jensen, that I record our video of me measuring your upper extremity? My professor and a few of my classmates will be the only people viewing it.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to start with wrist flexion. So I'm going to have my patient's arm hanging over the table, and he's going to be going from here down. Apply a little bit more pressure. And I have him at 80 degrees. And the norm of wrist flexion is also 80 degrees. And now we're going to do wrist extension. So what I'm going to have you do is have your hand and just point your fingers toward the ceiling. Perfect, just like that. Hold that for a minute. Apply a little more pressure. And I have them at 65 degrees, and the norm for wrist extension is 70. So if I could have you scoot back a little bit further so your hand is flat on the table. Let me know if I bother any of these scabs as well. We're going to be doing radial and ulnar deviation. So the first one, with your hand flat, just bring your thumb towards your body. Perfect, just like that. Can you come back? And go ahead and perform the motion. And I have him at come back. Okay, perform the motion. And I have him at 28 degrees, and the norm is 20. And then we're going to do ulnar, so bring your thumb away from your body. Exactly. Okay, perform the motion. And I have you here at 35 degrees, and the norm is going to be 30 for that. So now if I could have you lie on top of the table for me. Just on your back is fine. Perfect. So, first motion I would like you to do is So first one is going to be shoulder flexion. So you're just going to bring your arm straight forward and up, just like that. So just straight forward, just like that. Perfect. I have you here at 180 degrees, and the norm is also going to be 180. You can bring this back. Next one is going to be shoulder abduction. So you're just going to bring your arm up, just like you did, but out like that. Perfect. Okay. And the one I have for that is going to be 188, and the norm is going to be 180, so you have extra mobility there. Go ahead and relax. Next one we're going to be doing is shoulder external and internal rotation. Can I have you move a little bit closer to me on the table? this just like that. And for these measurements, you're going to start out like this. Is that comfortable?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. So we're going to do internal rotation first. So that motion is just going to be you bringing your arm as far as you can, down like that. Can you hold it right there? Okay, the measuring height for that is that as far as you can go? Okay, it's going to be 49 degrees, and the norm for that is going to be 70. Now we're going to do external rotation, and that's just going to be this motion this way. Can you hold it right there?
Yep.
Okay. Did you play baseball as a kid?
No.
You have a measurement of 99 degrees of shoulder external rotation, and the norm is going to be 90. So you have a little bit extra. People who normally play baseball have extra rotation, especially. So now we're going to do shoulder extension and flexion, or elbow extension and flexion. So we're going to have this again. I'm going to put it under his just like that. Perfect. And for elbow extension, I have you at 0 degrees, and the norm is going to be 0 as well. And then for shoulder flexion, or elbow flexion, excuse me, I'm just going to have you flex your arm just like that. So you can go ahead and perform the motion. And I have you at 135 degrees, and the norm for that is going to be 150. Thank you.